Hi, I'm Ray. This is my vegetable garden, and today is Tuesday, so it's Tomato Tuesday, and it's a day when all my tomatoes get fed, watered, and they get pruned, looking for suckers and harvested. So let's show you what we're going to do today. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell. So today we're going to prune the tomatoes down. So we're in the end of July, beginning of August, and the crops are showing their tomatoes, and now we need to give them some air and some space to be able to breathe and to be able to ripen. So let me show you what we're doing. So today we're going to be cutting down some of this growth off the tomatoes. So now we're going to chop off most of these leaves up to the first truss, giving it some space for it to be able to see the light and to be able to ripen. As you can see, these are marmalade, and a bit of a weird shape tomato. But I tried these this year because they were ideal for outside, so I wanted to try them as an outdoor one. This is a new crop to me. Not sure whether I'll do them again next year, but we will see. So there we go. This gives us some light. Now we can see the tomatoes that we got growing. We'll also do the same to this one. And clip off all these bottom leaves. As you can see, this is also growing runners again. Even runners from the bottom base we started growing. You can even see the weeds going behind. So there we go. So I've just done up to the second truss on these because this is the low one. So now at least we can see, get some air around the plant. I should do the end one as well. But these are interesting shape tomato. Very interesting. A good size too. Going to do the same on the last one. You can see there's new runners coming out of there. It's all being removed. We can also remove the weeds around the base too. So these next three Tomatoes are gardener's delight. We're going to give these a trim too. Right up to the second truss. You can see even now they're starting to still produce runners. This is the leaves that we've chopped off. They don't look diseased, so we're looking good. So these three plants are supposed to be Alicante, but recognising the fruits, this one's Alicante, but this one certainly does not. This tomato here has been eaten. So we'll chop that off. We're going to remove the outer leaves on these two. This plant has gained a cosmos in the back, and as it's only grown this tall, we'll leave the cosmos in the back and we'll let it grow on, add a bit of colour. So at least we can do some weeding now. So this is the Alicante. We can chop the leaves off this one. Give this one out. This is one of my favourite Alicantes. Produces such a nice round tomato. Such a nice, perfectly formed tomato. Chop off those dead ones. I do like them. And then this one on the end. So I don't know quite what went wrong with this one, but it's been sending up some runners, and it's only grown so foot. I really don't know, but anyway, looks like we've got a few rogue Alicante tomatoes, but that is one of the biggest ones grown so far. Monster. So this experiment was whether tomato grows any different being in a pot, in a small pot, a big pot, or no pot at all. So in this experience, no difference at all. And this one in the grey pot, it's got more roots, but it doesn't make much difference. So here is our nicely spaced out tomatoes now. So a bit more pruning need to be done, but that's a good job done for the day. So I hope you found that interesting and hope you found that useful information. And also on my channel I've got a video of growing petunias from seed to finish. So I shall put a link above and the description below. So thank you very much, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and leave me a comment. We like all the comments and we'll reply to everybody. So thank you very much. Cheers.